Hello friends, welcome back to Jersey Gardening. Today we are going to learn how we can save some of our annual plants during winter time and save it for the next spring. We will talk about 4 plants that can be saved over the winter if you take cuttings before frost. Then we can replant them outdoors the following spring. The first plant that can be saved during winter from cuttings is Coleus. We can take the cuttings and remove the bottom leaves. Coleus cuttings can be placed in water. You do not have to put it in the soil, and they root well in water. Let's take some cuttings of Vinca or Periwinkle. First we can clean our scissors with some alcohol swab before taking the cuttings. So after taking the cuttings, remove the bottom leaves. We should remove the flower heads also, because we want the plant to send all the energy to form the roots. We can take a few more cuttings. We can collect the seeds also from the periwinkle and save it for the next season. They are tiny black seeds. When the seed pods are mature, the seed pods will break open and seeds can be collected. This is a New Guinea impatiens. We can take a cutting of this also. And we can remove some of the bottom leaves. You have to remove the flower heads also before putting them in the soil. We can put the impatiens cutting also in a small pot with a regular potting mix. If you have geranium in a pot, you can just bring the pot indoors and just water it weekly and can be saved during winter. If you have geranium on ground, you can take a few cuttings You can remove the bottom leaves. And put it in a cup with well draining soil. If there is any flower heads, that needs to be removed, because we need the plant to send energy to the roots rather than to the flowers. So we got the cuttings of New Guinea impatiens, the periwinkle, geranium and the Coleus. So we put the impatiens, periwinkle and geranium cuttings in soil and the Coleus cuttings in water. We can bring them indoors and place in a warm area where they can get at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight a day. They will grow roots and survive the winter and can be replanted outdoors in spring. If you are interested in watching more videos on organic gardening and sustainable living, Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.